Welcome to HouseLux Estate, where we open doors to knowledge and opportunities. At HouseLux Estate, we're all about empowering you with information that enriches your life and broadens your horizon. We serve as your gateway to a world of learning, bringing you closer to your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic that's close to our hearts and we believe will be of immense value to you. We're going to share our top 10 picks of the most useful online courses available to you at absolutely no cost. These courses span a range of diverse fields, each offering a wealth of knowledge that could be the key to unlocking your next big opportunity. So whether you're looking to pick up a new skill, brush up on an old one, or dive into a whole new field, we've got you covered. So gear up as we unveil these treasures of free learning. On the number 10 spot, we have Introduction to Computer Science and Programming, offered by MIT through their open courseware platform. This is a perfect course for those who are curious about the world of computer science and wish to delve deeper into it. The course provides a comprehensive introduction to the discipline, covering fundamental concepts and principles. It also introduces students to the Python programming language, a versatile and widely used language in the tech industry. What makes this course so valuable, you ask? Well, aside from the fact that it's free, it's also self-paced. This means you can learn at your own rhythm, making it a great fit for those with busy schedules. Additionally, the course is offered by one of the world's leading universities in technology, ensuring that the knowledge you gain is both relevant and reliable. A great start to our list, don't you agree? Moving forward, at number 9, we have the Introduction to Computer Science and Programming course. This course is offered by none other than the prestigious Massachusetts Institute of Technology through their open courseware platform. Now, why does this course make our list? Well, in the modern world, understanding the basics of computer science and programming is no longer just for techies. It's a skill set that's becoming increasingly important across a wide range of professions. This course offers a comprehensive introduction to both the theory and practical aspects of computer science. You'll learn the fundamentals of computational problem solving, an essential skill in today's digital age. And the best part? It's all free. Whether you're looking to change career paths, enhance your current professional skills, or simply satisfy a personal interest, this course has you covered. Certainly a course worth checking out. At number 8, we present The Science of Well-Being from Yale University, available for free on Coursera. This course plunges into the depths of psychological research to explore what truly makes us happy. It's like a handbook for life, offering scientifically backed methods to increase your own happiness and build more productive habits. Imagine being able to design your life around what genuinely brings you joy. This course makes that possible by teaching you to understand misconceptions about happiness, why our expectations are so bad, and how we can overcome our biases. It's not just theory, though. You'll engage in a series of challenges designed to increase your own happiness and build more productive habits. The benefits? You'll find yourself more content and better equipped to handle life's ups and downs. Plus, understanding the science of happiness can improve your relationships, your work, and even your health. Without a doubt, an incredibly valuable course. Coming in at number 7 is a course that truly stands out, Learning How to Learn. This course, offered by Coursera, is a gem for anyone looking to enhance their learning skills. It's not about a specific subject, rather, it's about understanding the mechanics of learning itself. What makes this course so remarkable is that it provides you with the tools to learn anything more effectively. It delves into the science of memory, procrastination, and the best practices for mastering tough subjects. Imagine being able to retain information better, understand complex concepts with ease, and even overcome the habit of procrastination. These are skills that can be applied to any field of study or work. The course is taught by Dr. Barbara Oakley and Dr. Terence Sinofsky, both experts in the field of learning sciences. And the best part? It's absolutely free. A fantastic course that's certainly worth your time. On the 6th spot, we have the Essentials of Entrepreneurship, Thinking, and Action. This course, offered by the University of California, Irvine, is a treasure trove for aspiring entrepreneurs. It provides a comprehensive understanding of the entrepreneurial process and offers tools for recognizing business opportunities, creating business models, and building a successful startup. What makes this course truly stand out is its practical approach. It's not just about theories and concepts, it's about applying them in real-world scenarios. You'll learn how to develop a winning business plan, how to pitch your idea, and even how to navigate the often tricky world of venture capital. Moreover, it's entirely free, making it a great choice for those who are just starting their entrepreneurial journey or who want to refresh their knowledge. The course is self-paced, so you can learn at your own rhythm, fitting it into your busy schedule, an excellent course that you definitely don't want to miss. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have a course that's revolutionizing how we approach learning. This course is Learning How to Learn. It's a course that goes beyond traditional subjects, focusing instead on the techniques and strategies that can help you master any topic. Imagine being able to grasp complex concepts with ease or remember facts without the need for hours of rote memorization. That's the power of this course. It's designed to unlock your brain's full potential, making the learning process not only more effective, but also more enjoyable. The course is offered by the University of California, San Diego through the Coursera platform. It's free, but the knowledge and skills you'll acquire are priceless. It's not just a course, it's a tool that can change how you view education. An amazing course that's definitely worth exploring. In the 4th place, we have Introduction to Graphic Design. This course is a gem for those with a creative spark and a love for visual communication. It's not just about making things look attractive, it's about delivering a message effectively. This course, offered by a renowned online platform, takes you through the fundamentals of graphic design, color theory, typography, and more. You might wonder, why is it a must-learn? Graphic design skills are sought after in numerous fields, from marketing to web development. Plus, it's a great way to express your creativity and even make some extra cash as a freelancer. The course is self-paced, meaning you can fit it into your schedule as you please. And did we mention it's free? Whether you're considering a career change or you simply want to add another string to your bow, this course is a fantastic option. A truly beneficial course you shouldn't overlook. Stepping up to our top 3, in 3rd place is Introduction to Computer Science and Programming, offered by MIT through edX. This course is a gem for anyone interested in understanding the basics of computer science and programming. With no prerequisites, it's perfect for beginners. Over 12 weeks, you'll explore topics such as algorithms, data structures, encapsulation, resource management, and more. What makes it a top pick? Well, first of all, it's taught by MIT faculty, bringing an Ivy League education to your fingertips. Secondly, it's comprehensive, covering a broad range of topics that form the foundation of computer science. And lastly, it's practical. You'll be writing real code, solving complex problems, and getting a taste of what it's like to be a software engineer. This course is a stepping stone, a launchpad to a world of possibilities in the tech industry. An excellent course that's sure to enrich your knowledge. Just missing the top spot, at number 2, we have the Learning How to Learn course. This course is a gem offered by the University of California, San Diego. It's designed to give you the mental tools and insights needed to master tough subjects. Whether you're struggling with complex theories in physics or trying to decipher the mysteries of philosophy, this course can help. The beauty of this course is its practicality. It's not just about learning, but learning how to learn, which is a skill we can all benefit from. You'll be introduced to techniques for conquering procrastination, improving memory, and understanding complicated concepts. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your brain, giving you the tools to tackle any subject that comes your way. And the cherry on top, it's absolutely free. You can take this course at your own pace, from the comfort of your home. A truly powerful course that's just a click away. And finally, at the pinnacle, the number 1 spot goes to Learning How to Learn. This course, hosted on Coursera, is a game changer that will revolutionize the way you approach your studies and professional development. Imagine being able to master new skills and absorb knowledge with ease and efficiency. That's precisely what Learning How to Learn offers. This course equips you with the most effective techniques and strategies for mastering any new skill or subject. The course is led by Dr. Barbara Oakley and Dr. Terence Sejnowski, world-renowned experts in the science of learning. With their guidance, you'll explore the cognitive and neurological processes that underpin learning and discover how to leverage these processes to your advantage. This course has the potential to transform your learning capabilities and, in turn, your life. It's no wonder it's our top pick. Truly a gem of free online education. And there you have it, the top 10 free online courses that you can take advantage of. From the vast expanses of space to the intricate workings of our own minds, we've covered a wide array of subjects today. Each of these courses offers a unique opportunity to expand your horizons, enhance your skills, or simply indulge your curiosity, all from the comfort of your own home. Remember, knowledge is power, and these courses are your gateway to that power. They're designed to provide you with valuable insights and practical skills that you can apply in various aspects of your life. Whether you're looking to advance in your career, start a new hobby, or just satisfy your thirst for knowledge, these courses are your ticket to a world of possibilities. So go ahead, seize the day, take the plunge, and embark on a journey of learning and discovery. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more informative content. Keep learning, keep growing.